Welcome back to Development Division. It's Chris, and today we're in the suits. Joseph, show him the suit. Papa Joe's painting.
You can't race in primer, man. Come on, let's go.
So yesterday we ended up painting the Eclipse a Sydney Blue Metallic. You won't be able to see it yet. We're masked off. We're gonna paint the jam right here between the hatch black. We're going to paint the front engine bay black as well. We're going with a GM black, what? U8 5555?
Yeah, 35.
There you go. I spent a little bit of time using some Bondo on the spot welds and some of the kind of like dimply areas of the engine bay. That took me a really long time. And so I hope to achieve some sort of shaved bay look. If you guys are into the customization and tuning culture, then you know what I'm talking about when I say the shaved bay. I'm going to try to put that on there, and hopefully it turns out okay. So without further ado, we're going to do the black, do some clear. We'll have a little reveal of what it looks like, because it looks pretty good. It looks really good. Can you guys see the color on that? It looks so good. Alright, so it is a couple days after I painted the Eclipse with Joseph. We painted it a T52 Sydney Metallic Blue. It's an OEM Mitsubishi color that would be kind of period correct for 1997. It came out on the Daihatsu, I don't remember what it's called, but Damn, it's the Mitsubishi, I don't know.
The all-new Mitsubishi Diamante, a remarkably well-crafted luxury sedan with the power of the largest V6 in its class.
But anyways, it came on a Mitsubishi, whatever, in 1997, so technically it's period correct, and it's okay. So it's not too wild, it's still OEM. Hit the wheel wells with some rubberized 3M undercoating. Looks pretty good. Unfortunately, we won't be able to see this in the sunlight for a couple of weeks. The engine bay turned out pretty good. Could have went with another, maybe a coat or two of that U8555 black. It's a GM color, same color as the Firebird actually. I left the interior red. As you can see, I put in some of the interior. This is the flock dash. Finally get to see it inside of the vehicle. Looks really good. Pretty clean tape line for the windshield. I have to call Safe Light one of these days. It'd be really dark back here, so I can turn up the brightness. Look at that undercoating. See a little bit of it. Yeah, let me turn that back down. Now, as you can see, the color on this thing, it's just clean. Looks sort of dark gray in the dark. Kind of looks blue, light blue, kind of a green too. Haven't buffed this out yet, but just look at that. The camera kind of adds a sort of more of a blue hue to it. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this paint job. First time ever painting a car. That looks really damn good. That being said, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.